Hey everyone, I wanted to shoot this quick video as always so you can have examples of what today's assignment is. It is bonus, but I still would like for you guys to participate and post it in the group. Even though the challenge is over, the group is still open. So please take advantage of doing the homework assignments and getting them posted below and getting your questions and your questions and concerns answered so I can comment, whatever the case may be. But for this bonus challenge, again, you're inviting people into your world because people are nosy. You want to take them on a journey with you and share your life. And what you're going to do, again, you're going to do this with pictures or videos, right? And so I wanted to share with you some examples. And so past student here, she actually did a video. Hers is what I do outside the office. And then you'll see she's got all these different kinds of comments going on down there. Here is an example of another one of a student from last year that I worked with. She took a snapshot of her week, of her crazy week. She had 3 networking groups, 2 new video packages. What have you been up to? And so she got some comments on that because people are nosy by nature. They will engage. People want to see what's going on with you, who you are, what makes you tick the way you tick, things like that. And so just keep that in mind. This is one more piece of something you can do to get people to engage with you. And this one, and it doesn't have to be about business. It could be about, again, what's going on in your world. Maybe you have a pile of clothes that you're ironing, and that's not the thing that you like to do. Remember, people are nosy by nature, and the more you give them a sneak peek about what you do, it makes you more relatable. You will continue to build those relationships. You will continue to build that know, like, and trust factor. And you can definitely judge how much you want people to know about you. You don't have to put all your business out there and, share all your personal pictures or anything like that. Just keep it fun and open. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do, but you can see here, she's doing business with her bubbas or her friends, and she's got all these comments on what she's doing here, which was great. Another student here, this is funny because she has this. Let me see if I can slide it over. I remember this. This is funny. Let me see. There it is. Fear of Facebook Live. That was hers. What she does to make her lives easier, she tries to be prepared, but usually goes belly up, and so she's nervous, so she can't hold the phone. So you can see here, if I can slide this thing over, she has her complete setup. This is actually her light ring that she uses, so she's got perfect lighting. She's got this where her phone is holding her iPhone up, and then she's got these books here to make it level to where this is her camera up here, where it can see her, and she's not having to hold it. It's not shaking. It's not jittering. Because remember, our first task or second day, we did a Facebook Live, and I recommended that you don't hold the camera in your hand, so you don't have to worry about shaking and anything like that. And so that's what her setup was, and it was really just a unique and ingenious way to get it done without having to hold her phone to do her Facebook Live. Yay! And then she got a lot of comments on it as well. All these comments, just great. Love it. And then our next one, I wanted to show you guys this one too. Oops, let me get my screen to slide over here. She got a lot of comments. Let me get to the top of it for you guys. Well, I think I can. Let's see. Okay, let's see. What did I do with hers? Well, we'll come back to hers. Okay, that was that one. We're done with that one. Hold on a second. Okay, and then here's another example, and this one is hilarious because she's got, I hate folding and washing and putting clothes away. It has to be the worst chore ever. Let me see if we can see the screen a little bit better. But then she goes on and she's like, why can't we go back to the mom when mom done it for you? and just handing you a neatly folded pile of clothes to put in your drawers. Wish to be young again. What chore do you hate the most? This one's hilarious because people can totally relate. They've got a whole lot of comments on there. Whole lot of comments on there. Again, this is just for pure engagement, right? So that was quite funny. This next one here I think is adorable. She just took one of herself in a store. She's just in a store. And look at all the comments. So she's out and about during her day. And this is all her comments so far. This one is hilarious. This is like a little journal. Remember we talked about you can journal your life or journal your day. So scrolling through her pictures, I picked 5 to reflect her life now. So she's got lots of comments on there going down. And this one is the last one I'll show you. She's shopping, and she went shopping and Chick-fil-A for the day. Woohoo, I think that's hilarious. And then she's got all her comments down below, just from going to a simple Chick-fil-A. So again, what you want to do is have fun, you guys, with the post. Have fun with the posts, and then at the end, remember to, when you're posting your video or you're posting your picture, tell people a little bit about what's going on, and always leave them a question or command. Remember, people won't do anything, so at the end we talked about questions, or comment below, or we saw one today, what chore do you hate the most, or what are your thoughts? Comment yes below if you agree or something. Remember to give them a command. Tell them what to do. This will definitely invite them to comment, which is what you want them to do. And then without that, remember, people will just keep scrolling by. If you don't tell them what to do, they're just going to keep on going by. So definitely do that. Ask questions that are relevant and engaging for your audience and engaging for you, because at the end of the day, remember, people love to peek in your world. People are so nosy. And then after you've posted this bonus assignment or done this bonus assignment, even though the challenge is over, go ahead and post it in the group. I will continue to comment and give critiques for the next few days that the group is still open. So I hope this helps. You guys have an amazing rest of your day, and we will talk soon. Hopefully see you on Monday starting the 10-day challenge.